something wrong with my Gaggia Brera coffee espresso machine. Right now it won't brew a cup of coffee. And I took apart the valve. I didn't really find any sediment in there. Inside this door, the white valve, I took that apart. And so far I can kind of limit it down to two things. Either the pump is dead or some of the lines are gummed up. But I haven't really, I'm kind of leaning towards the pump. So if I go to the steam section here, the pump makes a normal sound. It makes the normal pumping sound, and water enters the system, and eventually it'll come out where the valve is in here, as well as over here. But as you can hear, it's making kind of a normal sound that it normally would. But now if I was to switch it back to the regular and either brew a cup of coffee, or if I switch it to the water thing, this is the sound it makes. I'm leaning towards a bad pump, but what do you think?